We're back with GSP part D, angle bisectors. So we're going to start out by making a triangle, ABC, by putting 3 points. This triangle is just going to be any type of triangle, doesn't matter. So now we're going to add the line segments. And now we are going to label the points A, B, and C by selecting the points and pressing Command K to label them A, B, C. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to create an angle bisector. So an angle bisector cuts an angle, which in this case is going to be B, into 2 equal halves. So we're going to select A, B, and C, construct angle bisector. So here's our angle bisector right here. And as you can see, it goes through line segment AC, and the origin for it is point B. So now we're going to deselect our angle bisector and create a point right where the angle bisector and line segment AC intersect. So right there, and we're going to label that by pressing Command K, drag it out of the area so we can see it better, and relabel it X. Okay? So now let's find out how to figure out the angles. So we're going to press A, then B, then C, and then measure angle. So the angle of B is equal to 93.24 degrees, or ABC equals 93.24 degrees. So now let's figure out ABX by selecting point A, then B, then X. Measure angle. This is sometimes tricky. It's very sensitive. To measure the angle, which is 46.62 degrees. So now we're gonna go Command Spacebar to do spotlight, and we'll check our work to see if it's exactly half. So we're gonna do angle ABC, which in our case is 93.24 degrees, and we're gonna divide it by angle ABX, which in our case is 46.62 degrees. And if you did this, if you created your sketch right on your triangle, you will get 2, which shows it has been cut in half. Okay, so now let's summarize. So a median of a triangle runs through from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. The 3 medians of a triangle meet at the centroid, or the center of a triangle. The centroid cuts the median into a ratio of 2 to 1. So an altitude of a triangle runs from a vertex and is perpendicular to the opposite side. It may lie outside or inside of the triangle, and a perpendicular bisector of a segment runs through the midpoint and is perpendicular to the segment. And lastly, an angle bisector cuts an angle into 2 equal lengths, 2 equal halves, which we have just done now. Thank you. This is our last recording.